Got a little bit of liquid ass. We're gonna put it in this pudding.
Oh my god, it looks like a toilet.
And then we're gonna put it in this here near purse. And when someone steals it, this is gonna pop in their face.
Oh. Stick.
Smell the stick afterwards. Can you smell it?
Oh my.
Let me smell.
I hate smell poop. That stinks. Let's go.
No. He did? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I would love to. Hell yeah. Thanks for watching my bag. Thank you. Yeah, thanks.
What happened?
Oh, probably why you don't go through purses, huh?
Yeah. That's why.
Trigger right here.
Would you mind watching my bag real quick because they won't let me go in there?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah? You're fine? Yeah. Alright, thank you so much. I asked you to watch it.
Yeah.
Don't someone's purse again. Would you do me a favor and maybe watch my bag? For some reason they won't let me in there. I just got it in. Alright, thank you. Thanks for watching my bag. Thank you. You're so sweet.
Go get him. What happened, buddy?
No, I don't know what she had in that purse.
That's why you don't go through people's purses. Oh, I'll teach you a lesson or two.
Are you kidding me? Hey, man, what are you doing to my bag? Next time, think before you get in someone's bag.
I'm sorry, Mom.
Wow. Someone literally just stopped me.
He's fucking blind. He's blind.
What happened? Try taking a purse?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. I just feel some energy.
Well, you fucked up, didn't you? That's why you don't take them.
Wow,
Fucked
man.
up, Bob. We give you the kaboom, Jack! Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you hit the like button, comment below if you guys want to see a part 2. Big thanks to Bree for helping us out. Thank you, Bree.
Yeah, no problem.